stock, crypto, credit moves. Good afternoon, YouTube. Back for another quick video. In this video, we're going to discuss baked beans. I just want to give a shout out to my YouTube subscribers that have been signing up with my link. It's very much appreciated. Your rewards are being reinvested back into this platform to make sure it actually sticks around longer. But baked beans has been a monster. Woo! I mean, it just continued to grow. 7,118 contracts. With my rewards, I just received about 2 whole BNBs, and I reinvested into the platform for more stability. So I definitely think this is going to be around for a while. Also, I'm doing my part by reinvesting, and I've also added to the Bean charts. So I've actually, the Bean chart tokens, I've actually added to that as well. And I have about 1 million of those. And this actually provides more stability now that we have a coin, because 5% of the coin transaction buy sell is actually going to be added back to these contracts, which gives Beans more stability. So that's why the contract numbers has continued to increase, is because of the fact that a portion of the coins are being added to these contracts. So that's why we see the big increase with the BNB total contracts. But shout out to YouTube. I really appreciate the support. You guys keep me motivated to keep cranking these videos out. So we're going to continue to rebake and eat. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just sharing what I'm doing on YouTube to make income. Let's continue to increase our incomes. Let's pay these bills. And let's get on with our life. Travel the world. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Until next time, let's get this money.